Happy Spring Break, everyone! Welcome to the Draubner channel, and we are at Disney Springs today, and we're starting with a massive win. We pulled into the Lime Garage, and let me tell you, it is so organized. But the best part, surprisingly, parking was completely free. In the world of rising Disney prices, we'll take that win any day. Now on to the quest to find another stroller. If you have little ones, you know the struggle. We headed to Sundries to rent one. It's only $15 for the day, which is great, but heads up, the deposit is $100. Of course you can get it back, but only if you return it to the right place. A closer option would have been the Welcome Center. Same process if you needed a wheelchair instead. First on our list was the Aerofoil balloon, as we really wanted to see the springs from the sky. But Aerofoil was grounded today due to the wind. It happens a lot in March, so always have a plan B. Our plan B? Shopping. We hit up the Star Wars trading post for some galactic gear.
This is so nice. $350.
This store have plenty of cool items and the prices are reasonable.
How much is Vader? Oh, $30. Kylo Ren is $150. How about this one? I want to just take a closer look, man. That's nice.
If I didn't have the Darth Vader or the Mandalorian helmet at home,
Nice.
it would have been a sure buy for me. Well, if the wife would allow it.
Actually, it's cheaper than I thought it would be.
They also have the same quality of lightsabers or parts of it that you could build from Disney's Hollywood Savvy's Workshop. I think that's what it's called. Well, don't quote me on that. It's been like 5 years since we've been there. But overall, this store is awesome. Okay, so just next door is the superhero headquarters. If you've got Marvel fans in the family, this is non-negotiable.
Fire might like this. Oh yeah.
I myself collect Marvel Legends, but it would have been nice to see some rare figures here. They do have a wide selection of kid-friendly toys, just not so much for the adult collector.
Good. That's cool.
This is the best Marvel Legend they got, the latest Abomination, but it's an easy pass for me. Okay, time to continue strolling into the west side of Disney Springs. Here we have Splitsville. This is a modern venue that offers classic 10-pin bowling, billiards, and more. Splitsville features flat-screen televisions throughout, live music, and an electric contemporary menu. But my kids prefer this next building. The smell in here is dangerous. We needed to burn off those chocolate calories, so we headed back to Marketplace, where we tried to hit the Lego store. But the line was huge!
Oh wow, look at this Lego set. I wonder what kind of glue they use in that Lego.
A tip from a not-so-pro, if a specific shop is packed, just head to the World of Disney.
It's massive and
literally has Disney products as far as the eye can see.
Look, it's rocket. What you got, Nate?
We found everything we needed without the 30-minute wait to enter. They also have this very easy scan and pay QR code that makes checkout super easy. Now for us, this was the highlight of Disney Springs, the Amphi Car at the boathouse. It's a 20-minute guided tour on the water in a car that's also a boat. It offers such a cool vintage vibe. It costs $125 for 4 people. Sadly, I couldn't join since we are a family of 5, but it's okay. That's what dads do. This ride is a tour of the Lake Buena Vista while riding in a vintage Amphi Car, a rare amphibious vehicle that can drive on both land and float on water. You have to book your tour from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. if the weather permits, but you can also do a walk-up reservation at the boathouse, but you may have to come back maybe an hour or more later depending on the crowd. Over to the marketplace carousel. It uses a token system. $5 for 1, $2 for 2, or $20 for 6. If you have multiple kids, definitely go for the 6 token deal. They're definitely going to go more than once. And also, you can use the token later on if you decide to do the train ride. Next is Once Upon a Toy Shop. It's so much smaller than World of Disney, but they do have quality toys, specifically lightsabers, that I don't think I've seen in the World of Disney.
You can build your own lightsaber just like that. Yeah, you said. No, you're not interested. Yeah. But yeah, I mean your lightsaber's quality is better. But the idea is the same.
Plus, they have a cheaper version of Savvy's Workshop. I like to call it the Timu Saver.
Nice.
This volcano is from Rainforest Cafe. Fire show is every 30 minutes. We had reservations at T-Rex restaurant, but as we were in queue waiting to be seated, the wait was longer than expected and the line was in front of this huge T-Rex animatronic. It was way too loud and a little too scary for the kids, maybe because they're too tired, so we made a last-minute pivot to Chicken Guy instead. No regrets, the chicken is actually really good, and those dipping sauces are the real deal. We found a table, bought our food, and it's in our table in like 5 minutes. As we got our bellies full, it's time to do more steps. Even my teenager got into the magic. He stopped by at Disney Ever After to get a custom headband for a special someone. It's such a cute, personalized gift idea. Finally, I had to keep my promise to the little ones. We headed back to the marketplace for the train ride. They love it so much we ended up doing it twice. A perfect end to a busy spring break day.